the benchmark of ultra-luxury. What defines the perfect grand tour? Is it the brute force of a supercar or the serene silence of a private lounge? I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we are exploring the answer: the new Bentley Continental GT Speed. This is the fourth generation of a legend, now evolved into an ultra-performance hybrid. It represents the absolute ceiling of performance and tranquility. In this 6-minute journey, we'll see how Bentley has replaced the iconic W12 with a revolutionary V8 hybrid system that produces more power, more torque, and more soul than ever before. Exterior evolution, a new face for a legend. Notice the visual transformation. For the first time in 2 decades, the Continental GT features single headlamps, inspired by the coach-built Bacala and Batter. This tiger-like gaze gives the car a more focused, modern stance. The bodywork remains a masterpiece of superformed aluminum with muscular haunches that suggest effortless power. The Speed variant adds dark-tinted grilles and unique 22-inch wheels, ensuring that while it is quiet, its presence is never silent. Every line is sculpted to cut through the air while maintaining that timeless British elegance. The cabin, a sanctuary of craftsmanship. Step inside, and the world outside simply disappears. This is the quiet ceiling the title refers to. Bentley's mastery of interior craft is unrivaled, from the 3D diamond quilted leather to the new, dark chrome, interior finish that adds a contemporary edge to the luxury. Look at the rotating display. It offers a choice between a 12.3-inch touchscreen, 3 classic analog gauges, or a seamless veneer panel. With 20-way adjustable seats and a NIME audio system, this cabin is designed not just for travel, but for the ultimate sensory experience. Performance, the hybrid revolution. Underneath that long, elegant hood lies the future, a 4.0-liter V8 paired with a powerful electric motor. Together, they produce a staggering 771 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. This allows the GT Speed to sprint from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. But the real magic is the versatility. You can glide through the city in near total silence using electric-only mode, or engage the V8 for a visceral, thunderous soundtrack. With the new dual-valve dampers and Bentley Dynamic Ride, it manages to feel like a light sports car in the corners and a flying spur on the highway. The Bentley Continental GT Speed remains the undisputed king of its segment. It is a car of dualities, savage yet sophisticated, loud yet whisper quiet. It is quite simply the finest way to cross a continent. I'm Ava, stay smart, stay elegant, and as always, blue skies ahead.